Here I've got Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro, and let me show you how to activate reading mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to find and select the settings, then scroll down and open display, and here you'll notice reading mode. Simply click on it, and if you would like to activate mode which makes the colors of your display warmer, simply tap on the switcher. And now you can personalize it, adjust the colors to your needs simply by tapping on the scale. You can also schedule this mode by tapping on schedule. And now you can custom the period of time, so here it is, turn on at, for example, 11 p.m. and switch it off at 7 a.m. So from now on, every day between 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. your device will be automatically in reading mode, then it will be switched off at 7 a.m. You can obviously switch off this rule by tapping on this icon. You can also quickly access and quickly activate reading mode through the upper bar. Simply slide it down and click on the icon. That's it. As you can see, the display changed, so it's for the reading mode. If you would like to switch it off, simply do it the same way. And that would be all. This is how you can activate reading mode on your device. This is how you can adjust the colors. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.